from your weekend. How was your weekend?
Mine was fantastic.
I hope you're well. Did you decorate your homes?
With a Christmas tree. We made an angel first.
Yes.
Second, we made a Christmas tree.
And then
the third one we
was
made a
Christmas
Christmas
card.
card.
Because that card wishes our friends and family a Merry Christmas. So now, I guess there's Christmas in your house.
It is warming up.
It's warming up.
Yes.
Woo.
There's something missing. A cherry on top like this.
Oh, just like that. And then there'll be Christmas in your
And
house.
it will blossom and sparkle and bust out.
Why don't we ask Angel Gabriel what next? Angel Gabriel, we
Yes.
have decorated our homes with Christmas trees, with jingle bells, and we have also we've sent out Christmas cards to our friends and family. So the children are wondering, what are we doing next? I beg your pardon? Oh, you know Angel Gabriel speaks softly, so you really have to be a very good listener.
Listener.
Let's listen. Angel Gabriel says, somebody's coming to give you presents.
Santa Claus is coming to town today.
Yeah.
Santa Claus is coming to town today.
Yes.
Santa Claus is coming to town today. Santa very big bag full of gifts.
Yeah.
I love that last part you said. Say it again.
With a very big bag full of gifts.
Hey! Is he gonna give out gifts?
To only the children who listen.
And they're good.
Good children!
I don't know.
And you know what? Children from Little Cranes are very good.
Yeah, Papa, the children, little friend, but never and Bugalobi.
So Santa says he's gonna give you a present.
Even me?
And Halima, yes.
Okay.
He's already given you a present. You haven't seen it? Look around. Look around. There's a present somewhere.
He gave me a present.
Wow.
And I'm not going to open it.
I'm looking for mine. Oh, Santa Claus, did you miss me out? Oh.
No, he gave you something.
Oh my God, he gave me a sweet, yeah!
But we're going to share the sweet Auntie Barbara. It's very big.
But it will spoil your teeth.
Oh no. Auntie Barbara doesn't want to share.
Okay, I'll give you a small like this. I'll give you some. Will you share with me also your present?
No.
Children, is it good to hide your presents when Santa gives you? Children have said no, so we're going to share. I'll cut for you this one here.
No, you're supposed to cut in the middle here like this.
In the middle. Okay, I'll cut for you like this. I'll tell my mommy to cut for you in the middle, and then we take a half and a half.
Okay, even when I open my present,
Okay.
I'll bring and we share.
Oh, that's lovely.
Okay.
And Angel Gabriel is happy.
Yay!
Yes.
So children, Santa Claus is coming to town.
Oh, look, he's already in our classroom.
Yes, this is a Santa, Father Christmas.
Yes, he's come to give out
And
presents.
he says, ho, 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 ho,
Yes.
ho.
Auntie Halima,
Yes.
is it possible to make Santa Claus? Because this is an art and craft class.
Yay!
So we can draw him.
we can make Santa of our own as we are waiting for the real Santa.
What do we need then?
We need a paper plate.
Oh, we need paper plates, okay?
We need
Glue. We need
cotton, and we need a
red, soft, or hard paper. Okay.
Or hard paper.
And then we also need the googly
Eyes.
Yes. And we'll cut out the nose for Santa.
From the paper and
yes.
the hat.
Okay.
Okay.
So, right here we have our
paper plate.
paper plate, and we need a hard red paper, but we do not have it.
So we are going to use the soft paper to draw a heart.
Can we stick that soft paper onto the hard one, Auntie Halima?
Yes.
Okay, so we need one hard one.
So we stick the
Okay,
soft paper onto the hard one.
and then we'll cut out later. Let me
Okay.
first put glue everywhere.
So we put glue to stick our soft paper so that we make it hard.
Okay, I think this is enough.
Okay.
Okay,
So we stick our soft paper.
yes, so that it doesn't
It doesn't do
dissolve.
wobbly, wobbly, wobbly.
Yes. So you see, we have our red paper onto the green one. We've stuck it onto the green one to make it firm, okay? And I have drawn the Santa Claus's
Heart.
hat.
So mommy can draw for you the heart, the Santa Claus's heart onto the paper.
Okay,
And
so
then
what happens next?
We are going to cut it out.
Okay, are you going to help me cut out?
Okay.
Okay,
Auntie
cut
Mama.
out, cut
So
out.
I cut out the heart. Santa.
Okay. Oh, let me see. Okay.
So I cut out the heart.
Okay, cut it out well.
Okay, Auntie Papa.
So Auntie Halima is cutting out Santa Claus's hat, just like this one you're wearing. Do you know you're wearing one?
Yes, like this one.
You forgot you're wearing one.
No.
Oh, I forgot. I just touched and felt
The
heart on my head.
Santa Claus's hat.
Yes.
Just like this one.
Yes.
Mhm.
Wow. So what is going to happen, Auntie Halima?
So we are going to stick the heart onto Santa's face.
Okay.
So our paper plate is a Santa's face.
How do I do it, Auntie
So we're
Halima?
going to stick it with,
Should I do it like this?
yes, like that.
Okay.
So we're going to use a staple
To hold it.
to hold it. Like
Wow. Is it done yet?
No.
Not yet.
The googly eyes. We
Uh-huh.
have to put the nose.
And then remember he has beards.
He has lots of beards.
Beards. So for the beards, we are going to use
Cotton.
cotton. Okay. So what do we start with, Auntie Halima?
With the googly eyes.
Okay.
Okay.
So this time I'm going to put the glue and you stick the eyes.
Okay.
Right. Ta-da. And ta-da. And the nose. And then the smiley.
Face smiling.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
So I stick the eyes.
Auntie Halima is sticking the eyes.
The googly eyes.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Let me step on it.
Is it possible? Wow, sorry. Wow, so look, Auntie Halima has already put the googly eyes. But Santa Claus needs a nose.
He needs a nose.
So what do?
We cut out.
At the nose
We already cut
in
out the nose.
our circle
Mhm.
shape. So can you please take the nose?
So I stick the
Uh-huh.
nose.
Right there.
There.
Wow, he's still missing something, Auntie Halima.
Something is missing.
Oh, he's missing the nice lips.
The nice lips. Santa's
Yes.
lips.
He's missing our
So
lips.
we draw Santa's lips.
And then you cut out.
Then I cut out.
Uh-huh. Santa Claus is almost coming to your house.
Ho ho
Ho, 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 ho! Santa Claus is in town with a big bag of presents.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Today.
Wow.
Let me put some more glue so that
Okay.
the nose can stick properly.
Ooh.
There you go.
Oh, look! Santa Claus is almost done. is he missing right now?
The beard.
The white beards. Yes. So we are going to stick the beards. Oh,
So I
we
put
have
for
our
blue.
cotton rolls here. So we are going to stick the cotton rolls.
So Auntie Barbara, I have to first roll the cotton.
Yes, just like this.
Roll, roll.
We roll.
And then I get my cotton and roll again. And then we roll again.
You roll.
And we roll.
Roll, yes. So we are going to put glue.
So I put for you.
You see, our cotton rolls are here. We have already rolled the cotton. Okay, so we're going to give Santa beards. Okay. Yes. Can I begin to stick?
Yes, Auntie Barbara.
Okay, so I'm going to stick. Oh, glue. We need glue there. Yes. Wow. So I put the beards. Oh, you can help me and tell him on the other side.
So I put the beard.
Oh, nice. Nice.
And then he will say ho 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho. But Auntie Halima,
Yes.
Santa Claus's hat is not finished.
Oh.
He also needs the white. You see, he's got that
needs
white.
The white roll.
Yes. So we need to put it on his hat.
So I put glue so that we put the white
Huh.
roll on his hat.
Oh, yeah. Look.
Ho ho ho
Auntie
ho.
Halima, can we show the children?
Yes.
Oh.
And then
See,
there we
beautiful
have
Santa
Claus.
Claus. Wow,
And
just
he-
like this one.
And he would say ho ho
Ho, 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 ho. Say hello to Santa Claus. Wow.
Hello.
And do you know what? Santa Claus wants to wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh yes.
Are we ready?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wish you
A Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ho 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 ho.
good tidings we bring
To you and your
King.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.
Wow.
So we're going to put our things we've made
Here.
over here.
Ooh. Yes. Angel Gabriel.
Angel
Please come
Gabriel
here.
wants to come and join the
Yes.
party.
Wow. Nice. Okay. So Angel Gabriel is here.
To join the party.
Where's Santa?
Oh, Santa is here.
We need to put Santa somewhere. Oh.
Put Santa here.
Okay, let's remove the paper plates.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, oh.
All right. Yes.
We
Okay.
wish you a Merry Christmas
And a Happy New Year. Oh, don't forget the card.
Oh yes, the card.
Yes.
That call wished every family member a Merry Christmas.
Yes. Wow.
Yes.
So look, we had different things in our art club.
Yes.
First, we made Angel Gabriel. And then
Angel Gabriel told us to decorate our homes
with
Christmas tree.
yes, and we
So-
made our own Christmas tree.
Tree.
Wow.
And then Angel Gabriel told us to wish everybody
A Merry Christmas. So we made a card to wish everybody a Merry
Christmas. So we
Wow.
made a Christmas card.
card. Wow.
And then lastly,
Santa Claus appeared
he came to
with a
town
very big
bag of presents.
yes, and he gave us presents and he asked us to tell you to make him out of hard paper.
So we made ourselves Santa.
Claus, yes. So that's what we had for our
art class.
uh-huh.
We love you.
And we miss you.
And we wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New
Yeah, we pray
remember?
that God keeps you safe.
And Halima, do you know what?
Yes.
Remember to share. Because Christmas is all about sharing. Okay?
Yes, Auntie Barbara. So I'm going to call you for Christmas at
Oh, thank you, Auntie Halima. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give you a present.
Hey!
Yes.
I can't wait.
Bye-bye, children.
Okay, we love you. That is all we had for you.
Merry, 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 Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry, Merry, Merry.